You're singing in here.
Are we gonna sing? Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rob. Happy birthday to you. God, what are those? Pull it out. I don't know if you can get to it. Oh, no. Here, let me lift you up, okay? You almost got it. Ready? Blow it out?
Relax.
Yeah. You make a wish? Blow it out. Blow harder.
Burn his hair.
What? My hair? Oh gosh, I didn't burn his hair. Okay, blow it. There. One.
Hey.
Good job.
Yay!
And you burned your hair. Yeah. What are those, Rocco? Do you know what they are? Can you say duck?
Micah.
Lick that off your finger.
Does it taste good, Micah? Is it yummy frosting? Come here, bud.